Guys, this is Shugata and welcome back to another brand new video. Today's recipe is very exciting paneer tikka recipe. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I am going to take a couple of ingredients and blend it well together. First, we are going to take handful of coriander and mint leaf, which of course very beneficial and relieving in digestion, and they are loaded with nutrient rich in antioxidant. Then we are going to be add about 2 green chilies which have been chopped roughly of course. Then we are going to be squeeze a whole lemon, which of course very beneficial if you are looking to boost your immunity because it contains a lots of vitamin C. Then I am going to add about 2 tablespoons of regular curd. Blend all these ingredients very well until we get a smooth and fine paste. Once we got a green paste ready, I am going to take some paneer and cut into bite-sized pieces about 1.5 inches cubes. They should be equal size so they all cook well. You are allowed only 100 gram of paneer for this dish. Now I am going to add some veggies. What better way to add veggies and color to our dish than bell peppers? Now the bell pepper I am using all the color and I am taking 50 gram of each color. Now I am using 1 tomatoes cut into cubes. Tomatoes are loaded with a substance called lycopene. It gives them their bright red color. It can help protect your cells from damage. Tomatoes also have potassium, vitamin B and E and other nutrients. I am using 1 medium size onion. This vegetable contains various vitamins and minerals. Now take this green mixture into a bowl. We are going to add some spices. First add salt to taste. Next is garam masala. I am adding about 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala because the flavor of garam masala can be very overpowering if you added it in heaps. So go slow on the garam masala. Next is raw mango powder. I like the tanginess of this particular spice, that's why I am going to add it here. Now I am using 1 teaspoon of cumin powder which promotes digestion, provide iron, may improve blood sugar control. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Ginger is loaded with antioxidants, components that prevent stress and damage to your body's DNA. They may help your body fight off chronic diseases like high blood pressure, heart diseases and diseases of the lung, plus promote healthy aging. All these spices, once having been mixed into the marinade, give a unique flavor. Next we are going to mix paneer. I am using paneer which is made of cow's milk, of course. It is low in fat, that's why, and it is a super rich source of protein for vegetarian. Mix well. The bell pepper and paneer I am using all cut into bite-sized pieces because once we put them all on skewer, should be easy to remove and eat. Now bell peppers are rich in many vitamins and antioxidants, especially vitamin C and various carotenoids. For this reason, they may have several health benefits such as improve eye health and reduce risk of several chronic diseases. We have to leave this marinade for good 2 to 3 hours, refrigerate it before we put it up on the skewer. This paneer tikka recipe is diabetic friendly, control your BP and also keeps your cholesterol under check. That means all in all it's an excellent source of veg protein and can be consumed for lunch and dinner. This entire dish contains about 350 gram and only 381 calories. Apart from protein, paneer is also rich in fat, iron, calcium and magnesium. Here I am using one medium sized tomato. It is a rich source of vitamin C, vitamin K and potassium, plus it is loaded with antioxidant. Bell pepper is rich in antioxidants which protect the body against the free radicals and the damage caused by them. Your body contains free radicals that cause damage to blood vessels. It lowers the risk of cancer as it contains anti-inflammatory nutrient and antioxidant. Vitamin C in this vegetable decrease the risk of arthritis and improve immunity. It also reduces inflammation. Now I am going to take out of this from the refrigerator. Heat up a pan really well. Add about 1 tablespoon of oil and I am going to brush it along the entire pan so that when I am going to put the skewer onto the pan, each side will be grilled well with just the minimum amount of oil. Now we are going to put the skewer carefully on the pan and make sure while you are putting the vegetable on the skewer looks all colorful. Each vegetable should not have the same color one after other. So it should nice and colorful. This dish containing paneer is very high on protein and fat, and don't forget we have added so many colorful vegetables also to make it fiber rich. Paneer is rich source of fatty acid, easily digestible fat and low carbs help in weight loss. Most patients who suffer from diabetes keep themselves away from dairy products, but paneer is an exception. Paneer is rich in magnesium that regulates the blood sugar level. It also contains a very low amount of carbs and hence diabetic patient can consume this without any fear. It contains a very high amount of potassium that helps in maintaining blood pressure levels. This also helps in preventing stroke. Potassium also plays a significant role in preventing muscle cramps, especially in athletes by maintaining fluid levels. Daily intake of paneer helps in reducing cramps. As you can see, my paneer tikka is ready. The paneer after being grilled in the pan has got the lovely brown marks to perfect grill. Now it's time to plate the dish. As you can see, look at the color and just so mouth-watering, isn't it? Each skewer contains roughly 100 to 120 calories each, so consume it wisely and make sure that you have it as a weight loss meal and don't fill up too much of this. Even healthy meal consume extreme proportion can be fattening. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Love yourself. Thank you for watching.